This video is sponsored by Thermo King, manufacturers of transport temperature control solutions. Visit thermoking.com for more information.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road.
Let's talk spring suspension maintenance. Durability is one of the trailer spring suspension's claim to fame, with spring suspensions often outlasting the life of the trailer. That's not to say it's a spec it and forget it component. The number one reason for premature spring suspension failure is lack of maintenance. Spring suspension manufacturer maintenance recommendations include periodic checks of fastener torque valves and usually include initial retorque after break-in. While regular preventative maintenance will keep the majority of spring suspensions rolling productively, there may come a time when a spring needs to be replaced. Typically, a broken spring can be identified during a walk-around inspection. CVSA has an out-of-service requirement for a spring assembly to identify an issue. These require replacement if 1/4 or more of the leaves in any spring assembly are broken, any leaf or portion of any leaf in any spring assembly is missing or separated, and/or there is a broken main leaf in the leaf spring. Spring replacement is well within the capability of a reputable trailer shop and within the scope of in-house work as long as you have the right tools and training for your shop's technicians. Safety, of course, is paramount. In terms of downtime, the actual spring replacement takes about 2 hours and should include alignment.
For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.